Hi guys, today we are going to see how you can create a dropshipping website with Shopify. Let's say you want to start a dropshipping website where you can sell products from other manufacturers or sellers instead of your own products. You can do that by watching this video. So after watching this video, you'll be able to create a dropshipping website like this, where you can display your products and your customers will be able to purchase those products. Now instead of adding your own products, we'll see how you can get products from other sellers who are already selling their products. And once we get their products, we'll see how you can sell them on your site for a higher price. For example, let's say you get a product from a seller for $10. Now you can sell the same product for $15 on your site. So the extra amount will be a profit for you. Okay, now anyone who's visiting your site can order these products by adding them to the cart. And once the customer makes the payment, you will receive an email in your inbox with the order details like this. So once you receive an order, instead of delivering the order by yourself, we'll see how you can forward this order to a supplier who sells the product. So now the supplier will go ahead and deliver the product to our customer. In this way, you can keep the extra amount you charge for the product as a profit for your sales you made from the site. And this means you don't need to keep any product in stock as you're not delivering the products to your customers. And finally, we'll see how you can customize your site to any style you want just by using drag and drop. So this way, you can start your own dropshipping site with less investment and get profits for each sale. This video is not sponsored, but it is supported by all those of you guys who have purchased our courses and a super fast WordPress hosting from 𝗀𝗧𝗀𝗀𝗀. To know more about these, just click the link in the description and get a 40% off coupon. Okay, so I'm Brand from Website Learners, and let's start creating our dropshipping website using Shopify. We are going to make our dropshipping website in just 3 parts. The first part is to choose products for your site. Now before you create your dropshipping website, you need to search for products online and choose what you want to sell on your website. So to choose the products for your site, we are going to do 4 steps. The first step is to create an account on Alibaba. So to create the account, just click the link below this video and it will take you to Alibaba's site. Now here you can see that we have different options to sign in to Alibaba. I'm going to sign in with my Google account. So let's click here. Select your account. Enter your password. Click next. And you can see that we've successfully created our Alibaba account. Once you've created your account, we can now go to step 2, which is to choose a product category. Now when it comes to dropshipping, you can sell all kinds of products on your site. But if you choose products that are unique to your site and which everyone is looking for, you will get a lot of customers to your site who will buy your product. That is why you need to choose a product category where you can decide which type of products you want to sell on your site. So to choose the product, just click here. And you can see that we have got different product categories to choose from. So just select the category you want, or here you can choose the particular category. I'm going to search for a category called Home Decor. Just click here and enter Home Decor. Now if you click search, you can see that we have got all the products related to our search. Now if you want to find the most purchased products in this category, just click Hot Selling and you will get the products which are high in sales. Now here you need to select where you want to ship the products to. So if we click here, you can find a list of countries where products can be shipped. So let's say a dropshipping business is located in US and you want to ship products to US. Select US and you can see that we have got the products that will be shipped to the US. Okay, now here you can choose any product you want from the list. But how will you choose high quality products for your customers? How do you know that it will be delivered safely and quickly? So before choosing a product for dropshipping, you need to check 3 things about your product. First, you need to check the details of the product. By checking the details, you will get to know what the product is, how it will look, and how much it will cost. So to see the details of this product, just click on it. And you will get the details. And you can scroll down and you will see the images of the product and its features. Now if you're satisfied with these details, next, you need to check the product's reviews and ratings. This will let you know about the quality of the product and the opinions of the previous customers or dropshippers who bought this product. So to check the reviews, just click here and it will take you to this section. Now here you can see the ratings given for this product. And as you can see, this rating is given for the product quality. And this rating is given for on-time shipment. Make sure the product has high ratings and good reviews. Now if you see here, you will find a supplier of this product. So whenever a customer orders this product, this supplier will be shipping the product directly to our customer. And the next important thing we need to check is the supplier's reviews and ratings. So to check that, let's click on the supplier. And it will take you to this page. Now click Profile. Go to Business Performance. And click Reviews and Ratings. Now here you can see the ratings given to the supplier by other users. And if you scroll down, you can see the reviews about the supplier. So if your product and supplier has high ratings and good reviews, you can select the product. In the same way, you can choose as many products as you want. Once you've got the products related to your category, we can now go to step 3, which is to set the selling price for your products. Now as you can see, this is the wholesale price given by the supplier and this is the shipping fee. Now if you want to earn some profit when you sell this product, you need to set the price that's higher than these prices. So to set the price, go to Settings, click Pricing Rules, and you will get this page. Now here you will find a formula for calculating your selling price. And here, it will ask you to enter the number by which you want to multiply the cost of the product. This will decide the amount of profit you will earn for each product. For example, let's say the price of your product is $10 and you enter this number as 2. Alibaba will calculate the selling price as $20 because the multiply option is selected here. Once you set this price, it will be visible on your site. So when a customer purchases this product from your site, they will pay $20. But when you place the order with the supplier, you will pay the supplier's price, which is $10. So you will get the profit of $10. So to enter this number, we need to find the profit margin of our product. Now a profit margin is the percentage of the selling price that you will get as a profit when you sell a product. The profit margin will be different for each type of product based on the demand from the customers and other businesses. So to find it, just open a new tab and search for your product's profit margin. Since my topic is home decor, I'm going to search for home decor profit margin. And you can see that we have got these links. Now click on the first link. And here you can see the profit margin for this product, which is around 20 to 25%. Now that we know our profit margin, let's go back to this tab and enter the profit margin number. Now if your profit margin is 30%, then enter 1.3. And if your profit margin is 50%, then enter 1.5. You can also double your profit margin by entering 2. Since I want my profit margin of 20%, I'm going to enter 1.2. Now to set the comparison price, just click here and enter the same number. Once you're done, click Save. So now we have successfully set up the selling price for our products. Once you've set up your product prices, next let's go to step 4, which is to add products to your import list. So to do that, just go back to your Alibaba dashboard. Now select the product you want to add to your import list and click Add Import List. Then the product will be added. In the same way, you can add as many products as you want. Once you have done that, now if we go to Import List, you can see the products which we have added just now. So this is how you can add products to your import list. Okay, so now we have chosen the dropshipping products for our site. Once you have chosen the products, how will you sell these products online and start earning profit? You can do that by creating your own online store. So next, let's go to part 2 of this tutorial where we are going to set up a dropshipping store for your products. So to set up our dropshipping store, we are going to do 5 steps. The first step is to create an account on Shopify. So to create an account on Shopify, just go to the video you're watching right now and click this link. And it will take you to this site. Now this is the site which is going to help us set up our dropshipping store. So to create an account, click here, enter your email address. Now click Start Free Trial and you will get this page. Now enter a password for your account. You will need these details to log into your website. Now here, you need to enter the name of your store. So to do that, just click Edit. And here, enter the name of your store. I'm going to call my store as Premium Decor. This will also become your website address. So if your store name is Premium Decor, your website address will be 𝗀𝗶𝗺𝗽𝗀𝗺𝗀𝗀𝗺𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 Then click skip. And you will get this page. Now to complete creating your account, fill up these details. Click enter my store. And now you will get this page. Once you reach this page, it means that you have successfully created your Shopify account. Once you create a Shopify account, your website will also be created. So to check that, let's open a new tab and type our website address, which is 𝗀𝗺𝗃𝗀𝗺𝗀𝗺𝗃.myshopify.com. So I'm going to type 𝗀𝗺𝗃𝗀𝗺𝗃𝗀𝗺𝗃.myshopify.com. And now if you press enter, you can see that we have got our website. Right now we have 3 pages, which is our home page, store and contact page. Now if you scroll down, you can see that our site is empty. So once you've got your website, we can now log into our site and start building it. So to log into your site, all you have to do is just go to your website address, then type /admin. Now if we press enter, you can see that we are on the admin page where we can control our website. So once you've logged in, we can now go to step 2, which is to import products to your site. Now if we go to our site and click on products page, you can see that the page is empty. So to import the products from Alibaba, first you need to connect your Shopify store with your Alibaba account which you created before. So to connect it, let's go to Alibaba account. Click here. And you will get this option. Now to connect with Shopify, click on this option. And it will ask you to enter your store name. So just click here. Enter your store name. Now click add store. And you will get this page. Now click install app. And you can see that we have successfully connected our Shopify store with Alibaba. Once you connect it, you can now import your products to the Shopify store. So to import your products, just click here to select all the products. Now click push to store. And all the products which we selected will be imported to our dropshipping website. Now if we go back to our products page, click refresh. You can see that our products are now available on our site. And if we click on it, you will get the details of the product. So now we have successfully imported the products to our site. Once you have imported the products to your site, now let's say you want to change the details of this product. All you have to do is just click edit product. And it will take you to this page where you can change the details of the product. Now to change the product's title, just select this title and then enter the title you want. Now if you want to remove any images in the description, just click on that image, press delete, and the image will be deleted. You can also remove any text in the description. Just select that text and then delete it. Once you're done, click Save and your changes will be saved. So to check it, let's go back to this tab. Click Refresh and you can see that the changes have been applied. Okay, now let's say a visitor wants to purchase this product. All they have to do is just click Buy Now. And as you can see, they have got a message which says checkout is not available. This is because we are using the free trial plan on Shopify. Now in order to get the checkout page, we need to purchase a plan on Shopify. Next, let's go to step 3, which is to choose a plan on Shopify. So to do that, let's go back to Shopify. Now click Home. Then click Select a Plan. Now here, you can see 3 different plans which you can purchase. Take a look at these features and select the one you want. I'm going to select this one. Now here, you can choose how often you want to make the payment. As I want to make monthly payments, I'm going to keep this option. Now to purchase this plan, let's click Add Credit Card. Now if you continue using Shopify after 14 days, your card will be charged. So let's enter our card details. Click Add Credit Card. And then click Start Plan. Okay, so we have now successfully purchased our plan, which means we can now see our checkout page. So now if we go back to this tab and click Refresh, you can see that we have now got our checkout page and we can add our shipping details. So let's enter our details. Click Continue to Shipping. Now if you click Continue to Payments, you can see that we have no option to make the payment. So in order to allow the customers to pay for your products, you need to set up your payment method. So next, let's go to step 4, which is to set up your payment method. So to set it up, let's go back to Shopify. Click Settings. Then click Payments. Now here you will find several payment options which you can add to your site. If the Shopify payment option is available in your country, you can activate this payment. But if you don't have this option, you can select third-party providers. Since I have the Shopify payment option, I'm going to select that. Scroll down and it will ask you for your business and product details. So just click here and select the type of business. I'm going to select Retail. Now click here and select the type of your product. I'm going to select Home Goods and Furniture. Now here you can enter a small description about your product and then click Continue to Account Setup. Now here, enter your bank details and once you're done, click Complete Setup. And as you can see, we have added a payment method to our website. So this means our payment setup is now complete. Now if we go to our checkout page and click Refresh, you can see that we have got a payment method option instead of an error message. And now our visitors can pay using their card. Okay, now if we open a new browser window and go to our website, you can see that our site is not yet visible. To make our site visible to others, we need to change a setting in Shopify. So next, let's go to step 5, which is to make your site available for visitors. So to make our site available, let's go back to Shopify. Click Online Store. Now here you can see that our site is password protected, which means no one can see it right now. Now to make your site visible to your visitors, click Disable Password and it will take you to this page. Now here, disable this option and click Save. So now your website will be visible to your customers. Now if we go back to our site and click refresh, you can see that our site is now available for visitors. Now if we go to store, you can see the products we added. So now we have successfully set up our dropshipping store, and this means anyone who's visiting your site will now be able to buy your products. Now let's try to buy a product from our site. So just like a customer would do, let's select this product and then try buying this product by clicking Buy Now. Now if the customer enters their details, clicks Continue, it'll ask the customer to enter the payment details. So now if they enter it and click Pay Now, you can see that the payment has been made and we have successfully ordered the product. Okay, so this is how your customer can order a product from your site. Now what happens when someone orders a product? How do you know that you have got an order? So next, let's see how you can know if you have got an order. Now as soon as someone buys a product from your site, you will receive an email about the order. So if you go to your inbox, you can see that we have received 2 emails. The first email is from our Shopify store and the second email is from Shopify Payments. Now if we open the first email, you can see that we have the details about the order. So we have the name of the product which the customer has ordered and their address. Now if we go back and open the second email, you can see that Shopify confirms that we have received the payment. So this is how you can know when someone orders a product. Once the customer orders the product, they will get an email from our store. So if the customer goes to their inbox, you can see that they have received an email. And if they open it, you can see that their order has been placed successfully and they have got their details. Okay, once you've got an order from your customer, how will you deliver this product to your customer? So next, let's see how you can manage orders received on your site. So to do that, let's go to our Alibaba dashboard. Now if we go to My Orders, you can see that we have got an order and here you will find the amount paid by the customer. So whenever you receive an order on your site, you need to place an order with the supplier here from this page and they will directly ship the products to your customer. Now to place the order, just click here and you can see that the order has been placed. After you place the order, you will get the pay option here on the same page. Now to make the payment, just click Pay and you will get this page. Now enter your details here, then click Pay Now and you can see that we have successfully made our payment. Now as soon as you make the payment, you will get an email with the order and payment details. So if you go to your inbox, you can see that we have got an email and if you open it, you can see the order details. Now these order details will be automatically sent to the supplier and using these details, the supplier will deliver the product to your customer. Now how do you know if the product has been delivered to your customer? As soon as the supplier ships the product, you will receive a notification in your email. So to check it, let's go to our inbox and you can see that we've got the notification. Now if we click on it, you can see that the supplier has shipped the order to the customer. Okay, in the same way, your customer will also get a notification in their mail once the supplier ships the product. So now if a customer goes to the inbox, you can see that they have got the notification and if they click on it, you can see that they have got the order details. Now if they click here, it will take them to this page. Now they can click on this link and track their order. Okay, so now you know how you can manage customer orders when you receive them on your site and how customers can track their orders. Now if you see here, it'll show the default website address, which is 𝗃𝗵𝗻𝗀𝗃𝗀.myshopify.com. What if you want your own website address like 𝗃𝗵𝗻𝗀𝗃𝗀.com, which is more professional? You can do that by getting your own domain name for your site. So next, let's see how you can get your own domain name for your dropshipping website. To get your own domain name, just go to the video you're watching right now and click this link. And it'll take you to 𝗃_𝗃𝗀. 𝗃_𝗃𝗀 is a super fast WordPress hosting designed by website learners. But why choose 𝗃_𝗃𝗀 over other providers? We purchase hosting from every popular hosting provider on the market right now and hosted the same website on each host. After testing each of these websites, we could see that 𝗃_𝗃𝗀 had the fastest load time compared to all the other hosting providers. And this provides SEO benefits as well, so that your website will have better chance of ranking on Google. You can see the full comparison video here. And that's why we recommend 𝗃_𝗃𝗀. So this is the site where we can buy your domain. Now here, enter any name you want for your website. I'm going to enter 𝗃𝗵𝗻𝗃𝗀.com. Now if you click search, this domain name is available. So once you find your domain name, to get this domain, just click select and continue. Now here it will ask you to select a hosting plan. As we already have our site hosted on Shopify, let's click skip. And it will take you to this cart page. Now here you can see that we're getting our domain for 1 year. And after 1 year, you can renew your domain and keep using it. So to get this domain, let's fill up these details and then enter your payment details. And click this checkbox. Now if we click order now, you can see that we have successfully made our payment. And if we click here, you can see that we have got a domain. Okay, so once you've got your domain, how do you connect this domain with your website? So next, let's see how you can connect this domain to our dropshipping store which we just created. So to connect this domain, we are going to do 2 steps. The first step is to add the Shopify IP address to your domain. So to add it, just click here. Then select the domain which you purchased. Click Manage DNS. And it will take you to this page. Now next to the A record, we need to add the Shopify IP address, which is shown here. This is the common Shopify IP address. So let's enter that. Okay, so now we've added the Shopify IP address to our domain. Once you've added the IP address, and next to the CNAME record, which starts with www, we need to add this record, which is shown here. Like we did before, let's select it and click delete. Then enter this record. And once you have done that, and click save changes. So now we have added the Shopify IP address to our domain. Once you've added the IP address, we can now go to the final step, which is to add the domain name to our Shopify store. So to add the domain name, let's go back to Shopify. Now click add domain. And it will take you to this page. Now to add the domain we had just purchased, just click connect existing domain and enter the domain name. I'm going to enter www.𝗃𝗵𝗻𝗃𝗀.com. Once you're done, click next and you will get this option. Since we already changed the IP address, you can just click verify connection. And as you can see, we have successfully connected our domain with our Shopify store. And here you can see that our domain has changed. So to check it, just click this link. You can see that we've successfully connected our domain name and we've got a dropshipping website which we just created. Now if we click store, you can see the dropshipping products we just imported on our site. And if we click on it, you can see the details of the product. So now we have successfully set up our store and you will receive orders from your customers. Now as you can see here, this is how our site looks with the default theme and no content. So next, let's go to the final part of the tutorial where we'll see how you can change the look of your dropshipping site. Now to change the look of your site, just go back to Shopify go to online store, and you will get this page. Now if you want to change the theme of your Shopify store, click explore free themes. Now here you will get a list of themes which you can use for your site. You can select the one you want from the list and add the theme to your site. And click add to theme library. I'm going to use the default theme. So let's click back and click close. And then go back to our site. Okay, let's say you want to change the text on your homepage. So to do that, just click edit homepage and it will take you to this editing section. Now here you will see all the sections which are available. Let's say you want to edit the text in the first section. Just click the first element here and you can see the list of options which are available under this section. So here you can see that we have the same text which is available here. Now if you want to change this text, just click here and then start typing. And as you can see, the text has changed. In the same way, you can change any text on this page. Just select it, click here, and then enter your own text. Next, let's say you want to change this background image. Just click on the image, then drag the image from your computer and drop it here. And as you can see, the image has been changed. So now we have completed editing the first section. To edit the next section, which is here, let's click on that section. Now to add an image here, just click on it and then drag an image from your computer and drop it here. And again, just like we did before, let's change this text. In the same way, let's add images and text to the rest of the homepage. So now we have completed designing our homepage. Now let's say you want to add a button here like this. So all you have to do is just go to the first section, click add block, and select the buttons option. Now add a button name here. I'm going to enter shop now. Now here we need to choose the page where the button needs to take us when we click on it. So if you want to link your button to the products page, just click here and choose products. Now as you can see, our button has been added here. So once you're done with the changes, just click save. And if we go to our website, you can see that this is how the page looked before. And if we click refresh, you can see all the changes that we made here. So this is how you can edit the contents of your homepage. Now if you scroll down our homepage, you can see that we don't have any products here. So next, let's see how you can display your products in this area of your homepage. Now in order to display your products here, we need to choose the collection of products which we want to show here. And then add the products to it. So to choose your collection, let's go back to this tab. Now go to featured collection, click change and select change collection. Now here you can see we have the collection named homepage. So let's select that. Then scroll down and then click select. So we have successfully selected the collection of products which we want to display on our homepage. Now let's click save. And once you've selected your collection, you can now add the products you want to show in your collection. So to add the products to your collection, let's go back by clicking here. Then go to products. Click collections. Now choose homepage. And here click browse. Now you can see the list of all the products that you have on your website. Select all the products which you want to display on your homepage. I'm going to select these. Then click add. And as you can see, the products have been added. Once you add these collections, your customers will be able to find your products more easily. So let's go back to this tab and click refresh. You can see all the products that we just added right now. So this is how you can display the products on your homepage. Now if you want to add more collections like this and help customers find products more easily, first you need to create a collection like we did before and just add it to the menu. So to create the collection, let's go back to this tab. Now click here and then click create collection. Now here you need to give a name for your collection. I'm going to call it as 𝗀𝗍𝗃. Once you're done, just click manual, click save, and your collection will be created. Now to add products to this collection, like we did before, click browse and then select the products that you want to add to this collection. I'm going to choose these. Then click add. Okay, so now we have added the products to this collection. Now to see the collection, just click view. And you can see that we have got a new page with the products that we added. Now if you want to help customers find this collection easily, you can add this collection to a menu. So to add this collection to your menu, let's go back to Shopify and click online store. Now go to navigation, and here you can see that we have two different types of menu on our site. Now to add this collection to the main menu, let's click main menu and then click add menu item. Now let's enter the menu name as 𝗀𝗍𝗃. Next, click here. Now choose collections and then choose the collection that we just created. Once you've done that, click add and the collection will be added to our menu. Now to save the changes, click save menu and the changes will be saved. So now if we go back to our website, click refresh, you can see that the collection has been added to our menu. So now if we click here, we can now see our collection with the products we added. So this is how you can add your collection to your dropshipping website. In the same way, you can add different collections to your website as you expand your business and start importing different kinds of products. So that's it guys. This is how you can make a dropshipping website with Shopify. Now if you want to learn how to create any website with Shopify, you can watch this video. And if you want to learn how to create products more effectively, you can check out a sales funnel course here. Also make sure you click the subscribe button to see more videos from us. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.